Hello guys, welcome back to Entre Legends. Today we are back with another brand new drone flight. We are here in Southbury in London Borough of Enfield, so without further ado, let's take off. That's it, I'm joined by people on the bikes. She's not going to be on the road, man. In the sky, up there.
Oh yeah, I see it. It's literally right above me.
Yeah.
We're not even there, like. We're only going up.
Wait, let me see. Oh yeah, that's...
I can see it tiny.
Alright, I'm going to do a 360-degree photo, then... Yeah.
I can't see that.
Yeah. Yeah, it's up high, yeah. Right, so let's fly around. So yep, I was joined by these guys on the bike. They were interested in my drone. Showed them the takeoff. So yeah, we're just going to go towards the area, Southbury, London Borough of Enfield. So what we're going to do, we're just going to fly around. Look at that, amazing shot. I just done a drone flight in Edmonton and now I'm here in Enfield, Southbury and Enfield. And we're in Enfield anyway, so see, there's a lot of cars here. I think it's a car dealership right here. Yeah, it's really interesting. So just go sideways, get a nice sideways shot. We're going to go to the north side first, then we're going to go to the south side after. Just want to see what's down here. So we've got solar panels there as well. Let's go towards the area down there. There's a little junction there. Let's get a 360 shot of that. Look at that. 6 shot. So this battery, I just completely charged off the grid. Because my solar charge power bank is dead, so I charge it with my power bank from the grid. But this drone is probably wind powered. It's probably powered by the power of the wind, which is kind of interesting. Yeah, we're not going to go any further because we're going to go too far then. What we can do, we can follow a car back. Let's follow this van back here. I'm going to follow that yellow van. 30 miles an hour. Can we catch up with it? Actually, it stopped in traffic, so we're not going to be able to. I want to carry on going, so look at that, 6 shot. Can't beat it. There's a lot of car parks here. It's a retail park in this area. Let's follow this yellow car down there. On the A10. Right, we're going at the exact same speed as the car, so that means the car is going 35 miles an hour as well as our drone. So we're going to go down towards this side. Look at that, nice shot. Here in the London Borough of Enfield. So we're just going to do, we're just going to come back. We're just going to go down towards Great Cambridge Road. It's got up and down. There's a Cinema Road right here as well, as you can see. So I'm gonna go towards this area down there to get a better shot of the drone. Look at that, straight empty road. What I want to do, I want to get a low down shot of the cars, because I'm on this road now, innit? Shot of Krispy Kreme, got a shot of Pets at Home. Follow a car down there. Let's go on sports mode. Follow a car. Look at that, sick shot. Oh, you know what? I never really get shots like this. That is insane. Yeah, we're gonna come back now. I want to get a top-down shot of a car. So look, it's coming now. That is so sick. That is insane. Look at that. Look how fast it's moving. It's like we're driving. It's crazy, isn't it? Right above the road. Look at that. Sick shot, innit? I'm not gonna go too low, but what I want to do, I'm get a nice shot of this. Look at that, that's sick, innit? And I can see the drone clearly. We're not gonna hit anything. That is crazy, look at that. What I want to do, I want to turn around now. You know what? We should do this more often. That is so sick. See the drone clearly. We're not going to hit anything. That is so sick. Look at that. Drone's right there. You've got to be careful. I don't want to hit the birds. The birds are going to come close to it in a bit. So we're going to go this side. Look at that. That is unrivaled. Look at that. Look, we're like following the car. Proper. That is so sick. We need to do more of these shots in the future. Look at that. Yeah, we're going to come back now. I'm using the whole battery on getting these kind of shots. Really interesting, isn't it? The only real what I'm going to do, enough of that, we've got enough shots of that. Let's get shots of the retail park. I want to go down here. Let's get high up shots now of the area. Yeah, those are some unrivaled shots. I never got shots like that with my drone. Let's just see the area now. So you got a lot of solar panels up here. So look at that, the contrast. We were just down at street level, and now we're like in the sky. We're flying at the max height that we can go in this country, or most countries can fly at this height. So it's a nice sunny day. You can't beat a day like this. You can't beat a day of drone flying on a sunny day. The only thing is, I'm flying next to a road, and then it's going to disturb the video quite a bit. You know what, let's come back now. Yeah, let's come back. We'll come back in sports mode. I'm going to follow a car from high up. So you got a solar panel right there. We got a Cineworld right over there. We've got an overpass as well. Yeah, you can't beat a day like today, drone flying. I'm just gonna go down this road. What road is this? Southbury Road. So that we're just gonna get a shot from above. Got overpass right here. I mean a bridge, footbridge. Got the same speed as that silver car and that blue car. I'm gonna stopping here. Look at that. Shot this junction over here. What I want to do now, let's get a shot of this side of the retail park. We're not going to have enough battery to do the whole thing now, so we can get a glimpse of it though. We could have gone down, there was a Tesco on the other side. I was going to do that, but we're not going to have battery to go there now because I don't want to risk the drone not coming back. So look at that, it's a big retail park. Alright, battery's low now, we're going to come back. So it's an industrial area, Tesco's down there, but we're not going to go down there now. I'm just going to land in this island. It's going to be quite hard to land on this island, so I think I'm going to go back to where I took off. And then we just land the drone right in this area. Imagine we land it in the middle of the road. Yeah, if I land in the middle of the road, my drone will probably get smashed, so I'm just going to put it on the side. I'm just going to land it right here, obviously. I'll be away from that lamppost, I don't want to hit it. Let's come back sports mode. Look at that. Unrivaled shots. You know what? The sun's in the... Actually, no, we could fly. It's fine. Alright, so that was my amazing drone flight in Southbury, in the London borough of Enfield. I hope you enjoyed this little drone flight of mine, and I'll speak to you in the next one. Thank you for watching.